guys! Today I am washing the dishes. Firstly, remove the leftovers. Get the dishwashing liquid and the basin. Get the sponge to absorb the mixed dishwashing liquid and water. From cleanest to dirtiest. First, cups. I am scrubbing the cups and mugs. And next, spoons and forks. Next, bowls. Finally, those plates. Scrub. I am scrubbing the plates. We'll rinse the dishes. And after rinsing, we'll put those dishes into the dish rack. I will clean all the mess in the sink using this kitchen towel. Now, I felt happy while washing the dishes. It is important to wash the dishes so that the germs that could stick in the dishes shall go out, and we will use it at the next meal. By the way, this is Stephen Jasper Giba Medina, performance task number 3 in English.